Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. As you may have seen in a previous video, I bought a bunch of Einhell Cordless tools, and in this video I want to check out the 2-in-1 cordless grass shear and hedge trimmer. Now the deal I picked up came with these 3 amp hour starter kits over here, so that's what we're going to be using, a 3 amp hour battery on it. We'll kind of test it out, see how long it lasts, how hard is it to change between one and the other. We'll just kind of see what we got going on here. So we start out with a little instruction manual, and I'll get it out of here. Einhell USA customers, you get an extra 90 days if you register the product on their website. There's that piece. Looks like the little grass shears come on it. Got these little plastic covers on them. There's a trigger lock. Goes through both ends, which is nice for a left-handed person. Most people aren't that considerate. Got a little tag on here we can take off. That's off. The battery goes. The batteries do have a fuel gauge. I can throw one. Oh, I can throw one on real quick. Charged this one up earlier today. See, that's on. Stick your finger in there. Let's see how strong it is. No, that's not a good idea. Alright, so there's that button. Probably releases something. Yep, there it goes. Alright, see there's a bunch of grease in there. So that button is your release to change your implement. Let's see. Looks like we just kind of went like so. Maybe. Let's hit said button again. I don't know if I want to do this with the battery on. Let's see. Looks like that should go like that. Alright, it goes like that. There we go. I think we're locked into place now. Man, we're hedge trimming, we're grass shearing. That's all that's in the box. Well, let's go give her a test, see how it works. One side benefit of someone who doesn't really like to do yard work or take care of their yard is there's probably a lot of stuff we can use this for as a trial. Let's just go for it here. Uh-oh. 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 trying to get that thick stuff now. I don't like that. Too much. Got mosquitoes on me. See that? Too much. Too much! Oh yeah, professional trimmer here. Miss my true calling in life. You know, one thing, it gets tiring kind of holding this thing. I wish you could lock it on. That'd be awesome. Nope, too much. I'm stuck! Oh. We're back. We're making trees beautiful again. Would you believe in 10 years of living here I've never trimmed this thing or done anything to it? Probably would. Let's try this little guy. You see how this thing looks? Look at that ugly ass thing. There's a tree growing through it. It's all getting cut down eventually. Oh, let's give it a haircut. Oh yeah. That's the spot. It does get pretty tiring just holding the trigger. Surprisingly so. We're just going for the business in the front, party in the back look here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Looks the same. Let's check the battery life. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it in the sunlight. Oh man. All that. And we didn't even put a dent in it. I even killed a mosquito while doing that. Multi-talented person here. The bugs are getting mad at me. They're attacking. Get off me, bug. Got time for you. Works pretty good as a shoulder scratcher. Just don't hit the trigger while you're doing it. Let's see if it just gets these little guys. Oh, it looks kind of thick. Looks kind of thick. No, I won't even fit between the blades. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Get through that. Eat it. Oh. Nope. Almost though. Uh-oh, getting stuck. Gets through some of them. I know, not intended purpose. Let's see what's going on over here. Don't get to play horseshoes too often. Look what the pit looks like. Got trees and crap growing through it. Can't go through. You would think anything narrow enough to get through the teeth or whatever you'd call it, it would also be strong enough to cut through. That's not necessarily the case. Let's try the grass attachment, and maybe we'll just kind of mow through this other one here. I can see if I've gotten any better at changing the attachments and if you can do it one-handed or not. There's the release. Well, that part's really easy. That worked out well. Now to reattach another one, one-handed might be difficult. Yeah, one-handed might be very difficult. Oh crap, how am I going to do this? Kind of. That goes in there. Oh yeah! Oh yeah. There you go. One-handed even. Do you believe in miracles? Shouldn't have said that. My first ever YouTube video that got demonetized was because that song was playing in the background. Jackasses. Okay. Oh, look at us mow. Look at this. This is great. Oh yeah. Look out, frogs. I'm coming. And the shears are coming with me. Oh yeah. This is beautiful. Oh no, these work a lot better than the hedge trimmer part. Just get my blower vacuum mulcher out here afterwards. Just follow me around, huh? Oh yeah. Now why am I not just using the weed whacker? I don't know. Oh, look at all that grass. Just falling to the ground. Like giving it a haircut. This is genius! Who invented this thing? Whoa! Little much. But still got it though. Nope, didn't get that. Look how thick that is. Look how thick that one is. Oh, there's a leaf in the way. Son of a bitch leaf, get out of there. Look how thick that is. Too thick. Oh, we'll just gnaw at it. Nope. Won't get that. Get that one there. Man, that thing works awesome on grass. I buried the lead on this sucker. Let's go to this side. Uh-oh. Stick too big. Hey, Scooter! Whoa! Look at you, Scooter. You a good boy? Yeah, so as we're done, we're gonna get you some water. You look like you need some water. There's some water right there, fool. I'd say it really reminds me of Ryobi quality. Which isn't to say bad necessarily, but definitely not top of the line tool. The Hedge trimmer was meh, it was okay. I mean, it did work, and I wasn't really, some of those branches aren't really used for that, but it doesn't have a ton of power is the thing. The grass shears, that worked perfect for that. If you're in need of that, man. It was real nice for the grass parts. If you're buying it specifically for that, that's a good deal. If you're buying it for the hedge trimmers, you might be a little disappointed. But anyways, that's what they're all about. The Einhell 2-in-1 grass and hedge trimmers, shears, whatever they call it. I'll put a link down below. Any retailers that I see have this thing for sale, if you're interested. We bought a whole 47 pounds of these Einhell tools. So we'll definitely have some other videos coming up. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time. All that trimming we did didn't even phase the battery. Full charge! Dumbass.